was happy, full of life, obsessed with butterflies. She had the strangest dress sense, but a kindness, love in her eyes. She had some secrets she didn't reveal, but never tell you lies. And if she didn't like you, she would never cut her ties. That's it, be Monday. I'm gonna miss you badly, I'm gonna miss you sadly, but God bless you, Monday. Oh, have you heard this story of the girl that they call Mandy? She always acted happy, but she didn't have no family. She had problems with self-control, but never was she angry. But love, God bless, we'll let you rest, and we'll miss you, dear sweet man. Yeah, we'll miss you, dear sweet Mandy. We felt something was wrong. We didn't hear from Mandy for 7 days too long. And we were worried and we feared the worst, but thought she was a happy soul. Not like the easy depression, really, or did it take that toll? That's it, be Mandy. I'm gonna miss you badly, I'm gonna miss you sadly, but God bless you, Mandy. Oh, have you heard this story of the girl that they call Mandy? She always acted happy, but she didn't have no family. She had problems with self-control, but never was she angry. But love, God bless, we'll let you rest, and we'll miss you, dear sweet man. Yeah, we'll miss you, dear sweet Mandy. We don't understand the troubles in her head, the life and soul of the party, but she never went to bed. Just hope you're in a better place and you're happy inside out. The outside always happy, but the inside screaming out. Now it's time to say goodbye, life wasn't what it seemed. Just hope you're in that angel place, just like you always dreamed. See you later, hippie Monday. Gonna miss you badly, I'm gonna miss you sadly, but God bless you, Monday. Well, have you heard this story?